this is actually our drawing board where we are going to be trying. Don't forget that the aim of this is to learn how to conceptualize our idea. Of course, you might be thinking about something big, so this can be a good way to get this done. Instead of waiting for the programmer to help you conceptualize your idea, you can actually all by yourself go ahead to conceptualize your idea. We are using the website called Thunkable, but for now let us look at how to conceptualize our idea. Now, what am the idea now? We want to conceptualize an idea, and the idea is I want to have a central place or bring all the stores together. So the idea I am actually conceptualizing is all in one all in one store is the idea that I'm trying to conceptualize. Now, of course, so what I'm thinking, so the first stage of the application will be the authentication stage. Then after, so this will be the authentication stage, meaning that of course I want to know my user. I want to know my user. I want to know where they're coming from. Of course, I don't need too much details from them, but I just want to be sure I am not relating with a robot. I go ahead from the authentication after the user. From what I've demonstrated, I'm trying to draw the flow of the application now. So after the authentication stage, the user will then be able to see the list of the product. You'll be able to see the list of the product. Don't forget, the products actually goes from different stores, gather the accessories that they have, gather the stores that they have. I get it from them and I put it on my website, and of course, just like acting like a middleman. So I list all products for the user to see in order for them to be able to choose what they want to buy from, and from there the user can then see, oh, this is available, check the price, check the details and the like. So from there, after the user have seen the list of products, then we then be able to also see the user will then be able to also see the, so this that I'm doing is I'm trying to draw out or map out my idea. So from there we then go ahead to be building our application. So of course you might get an idea of, oh, this is what you should build. Don't wait till it become full-fledged before you start doing something. Get it on a paper, get a pen and paper, draw it out, map it out based on how best it actually work for you. So from there, after listing of the product, okay, I want them to also be able to see the details of the product, like a short description. I want them to be able to see the image, see it on big screen, and then be able to like market to them for them to buy. So they will be able to see the product details. They'll be able to see the product details, and that is the third flow of my application. And after that, I also want them, it is the flow of our application. After they have seen the details, okay, I will like to buy this, I don't like to buy this, and they like, so they will then also be able to see, they will then be able to place their products. They'll be able to place order. You'll be able to place order, which will be our fourth stage. And after they have been able to place their order, and they will be able to track each step of the order. They'll be able to track the step of the order. They'll be able to track the order. They'll be able to track the order. And that is what we are going to be building in this application. That's just the idea. The idea looks big. The idea looks, oh, get something, sketch it out, and let's see how workable it can be. And from there, you know, okay, I'm going from this stage to this stage, I'm going from this stage to this stage. And from here you can see, okay, once you go from this very first stage, this first stage of authentication. From there you go to the list of products, from there you go to the product details, from there you go to the point where the user can actually place their order, and from there you can also go to the point where the user can track their order. And that is what we are going to be building.